Good morning, guys. So it is the morning of my natural hair appointment, and I have been wearing a unit. So that's why my hair looks like this. I've been wearing a unit for a few months now, but I am actually getting ready to go to my natural hair appointment in a few hours. So I want to go ahead and just take these out. And yeah. So when I'm taking my braids out, I know it looks like I may be going fast. I really like to go slow and take my time. Just because, you know, when your hair is braided, it has tension on it. And because I've had my braids in for so long, you just want to make sure you're not pulling out any hair, because of course when you have your braids in, your hair is going to shed, because your hair naturally sheds every day. So just, you know, when you're taking your braids out, just kind of take your time and be gentle. And always, if you do have knots, don't comb at the knot when you're taking your braids out. Start at the bottom. And if you start at the bottom with like trying to comb through the knot, you're less likely to get breakage throughout your hair. So that's a braid right there, and I'm able to run my hands through it. And I do have, I don't know if y'all can see, but I do have like 1 or 2 strands that I lost right there. So I'm just going to continue to take my braids out. Like, I knew it was like overdue for me to, you know, take my braids out or whatever, but I could not get an appointment with my stylist. So the backstory was I went and got braids, and I had been to this girl once before. The first time I went to her, like, I love my braids, and I kept them in for about 8 weeks. And you guys, once, like, okay, so I went to her house, and I had to call her. No, I knocked on her door, rung her doorbell. She did not answer, so I had to call her for her to come, you know, open the door. So she opened the door. She just kind of looked at me, whatever, and I was like, you know, good morning. And she just kind of like walked in, you know, let me come in. She didn't say anything the entire time. She braided my hair. She did not talk to me. She, you know, was on the phone. She went ahead and she braided my hair down. And she was like, okay, you're done. She didn't pass me a mirror for me to see what my knotless braids looked like or anything. So when I got in the car and I looked at my braids, and like, I have, you know, pretty long hair, like mid-length, once it's pressed out and everything. Even when it blow dried in its natural state, it's pretty long. So as soon as I got in the car and I went to, you know, feeling through my braids, okay, I was like, okay. She did some of these kind of big, and then when she got to the bottom, I realized, like, oh wow, she stopped the knot. Okay, so when you get your knotless braids, she stopped the knot of my braid way too short. So immediately I was just like, okay, this right here, this ain't it. I was not happy. I was very upset because I'm like, I'm paying you my hard-earned money. First off, your personality was just stank. And I understand she probably was tired. It was early in the morning. But like, I'm a paying customer. And not only that, I must have liked your service because I came back for a second time. And like, I just felt like my parting was too small. And it didn't, I mean, I didn't get the same look that I had got from the very first time when she did my hair. So, I want to say normally I would wear my knotless braids about 6 to 8 weeks. You guys, when I say I took those things out after 4 weeks, and I was just so upset because I felt like me, I don't like for my edges to be tight anyway, but and I told her that, and I guess she remembered because she did not break my edges tight. However, after about 3 weeks of wearing those braids, like my edges, like right in here, they started to feel really tender, almost like I was pulling them whenever I would wear my hair up in a bun, or whenever I would like wear a scarf on my knotless braids, or even if I had my hair hanging down and I accidentally, you know, would like rub it up against like my hands or something like that, and it literally felt like my edges were being pulled. So I was like, no, I gotta go ahead and get these braids out of my hair. So I went ahead and I took them out. And then I just decided to wear one of my protective units. I thought that maybe my natural stylist could have gotten me in, but she is so amazing that once her schedule opens up for the month, and because I had braids and I was planning on keeping them in longer, I did not book an appointment. I thought maybe she would have a cancellation or something, but she ended up not having cancellation, so I had to just plop my wig on every day. Because I don't glue my wigs down. Although I love my bundles and everything, I don't glue them down. I just take them off at night and put them back on in the morning. And although like units are great protective styles, it's a lot of work because I was having to curl my hair, not every day, but at least 3 times a week. And I work Monday through Friday, so that took a decent time out of my morning. So I'm so glad to finally take these braids out and get my hair conditioned. So I've been talking for a minute. I'm just going to continue to take my braids down, and when I get done, I will come back. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like combed out. And just for me combing it out, this is how much I lost. But I know once I get to the salon and she starts combing through it and everything, and washing and conditioning and everything, I'm pretty sure I'll have more. But for braids that have been in for a while and that was starting to come apart themselves and just there, I think that was good for that amount of fallout that I experienced. Am I the only one that appreciates an amazing shampoo, conditioner, and scalp massage during the salon process? Now I'm about to start the hydration process. I absolutely love it. My curls, they adore the hydration treatment. It helps with circulation of the blood throughout their scalp and hair follicles, as well as it just brings your hair back to life. Look at how my curls are popping, you guys. I absolutely love it. And if you're not getting a hydration treatment when you visit the salon, ladies, you're doing your hair a disservice. Please start adding this to your salon regimen. Hopefully you guys are able to see this steam that's coming from the hydration system. And the steam is not hot at all. And now we just sit up on the dryer for a few minutes to help with the blow drying process because my hair is so thick. And I absolutely love coming to the salon. This is my therapeutic time where I get to release a lot of stuff that has been going on, get advice, and just, have some me time. So ladies, if you're not going to the salon, make sure you're going. We work hard, we deserve to pamper ourselves, and going to the salon, getting your hair done makes you feel good. And I also believe when you look good, you feel good. So this is what my hair looks like after she is done blow drying. From the looks of this, I know I am going to have a bomb silk press. And now she's starting to actually flat iron my hair. And I love the fact that she does not have to do more than one pass on my hair. And she also uses the chasing method on my hair as well. So after she's done flat ironing, she's just combing through to see if I have any split ends or breakage. Ladies, do not be afraid to get trims. Trims are needed so that you're able to protect your hair, as well as it helps with hair growth. Now she's just doing the final touches, and this is what my hair looks like, you guys. I absolutely love it. Look at it. It's shiny, it's full, it's just gorgeous.
I love it, ladies. Please take the time out to care for your hair. Bye.